I am drinking water per usual. A girl has to hydrate. So, okay. You know, I do all the wrong things on this. The wrong things. I fix my hair. I drink the water. I do all the stuff, right? And they tell you not to do that, but whatever. I do what I want. Nobody tells me what to do. To unbox is my BeautyCounter. So I'm very excited about unboxing my BeautyCounter today. So if you don't know about BeautyCounter, I have been using their products for consistently, I would say, for about, I guess about not quite a year, maybe 6 months, maybe about 6 months, maybe a little less. I don't remember, but you know, 2020, who can remember these things? But I've been using their skincare products very consistently, and I love their company. I love what they're about. So I decided to sell BeautyCounter as well. So I will be promoting BeautyCounter on my Instagram and everywhere else I am. Here is the makeup that I got. So I love BeautyCounter because it's super simple. So they have this bundle, I guess, and it's called Flawless in 5. And there's 5 products, and basically you work quickly and get a quick face. Flawless in 5 products, 5 minutes, something like that. I didn't get the foundation because I'm not really wearing foundation because of I wear a mask. I wear a mask all the time. So I got the Dew Skin Tinted Moisturizer, and this does have a SPF 20 in it. So let's see. I got this one. This one is sheer coverage. I forgot what color this is. Tan. I got tan. So let's check it out. Oh, it has a little pump, which I love the air pump. Ooh. So there's that. It's a nice match. And it's just a tinted moisturizer. This is going to go a long way. It smells really good. It smells different than what's the balm that's on my hand. So just one little pump is really like taking up a whole kind of swath of my hand. So I feel like one pump is going to be plenty. And I still will wear my not my foundation. Yeah, the match is great, and it really blends into your skin. And I think that one pump is going to go a long way because I have nearly covered my whole hand. I've nearly covered you can't really tell, but I've nearly covered my whole hand. So yeah, this is going to be great. I still will wear a sunscreen underneath because I'm just fanatical like that. So this is a tinted moisturizer. It does have SPF 20. It smells super amazing. It spreads really well. I feel like you could put it on with your fingers. You put it on with a brush. You put it on with a beauty blender. So excited for that. And I love the packaging. The packaging is great. Okay. Then let's see, what's next? Oh, the creamy concealer. Let's look at this. It's called Skin Twin, and I got tan 1 in this one. I forget how many shades this comes in, but I got tan 1. The great thing about BeautyCounter is if it doesn't work for you, you can return it. I forget what the return policy is, but it's nice and generous. I think it's 30 days. Okay. Try it on this hand. Ooh, yeah, that's great. There it is. So that's going to be great for under eye. It's nice and bright. It spreads really nicely. I also do have it over the balm, so that could be a reason. But let's see, actually, let's see how it does over the tinted moisturizer, because that's probably what I'll be putting it over anyways. God, my hand. I'll tell you what, I put the balm on this hand and then I put the tinted moisture on this hand, and the texture on this hand is so crappy compared to this one. So my hands need a lot of work. No, it's still, oh yeah. It spreads so nicely. So currently I've been using a Becca concealer, and I kind of have not been loving how it spreads, but you can see, you can't tell where I put it. It's on there, but you can't tell. It really worked really nicely. So perfect. Love this. Gonna love this. It's gonna be great for under the eye. And I'm only doing my eyes lately anyway, so there's that. Okay. Brow pencil. Oh, I'm so excited because this came at the perfect time, because I was using this e.l.f. brow pencil and I'm like, that's all I got. That's all she wrote. Just this little nub is left. So perfect timing for this brow pencil. Okay, so, oh, and it has a little spoolie on the end. So that's cool. And this is cool because it covers. So then your spoolie doesn't get dusty or dirty or gross. So that's nice. Okay. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, nice. All right, so this one right here is a thicker, I just kind of use more the end, and this one right here, I just used it up and down. So you can get a nice line, or if you need something thicker, yeah, I think this is going to be great. So this is a brow pencil. And it's one that you can sharpen, so very cool. And it feels so, it's nice and substantial. This color is dark, so this is what dark is. Pretty good. All right, awesome. Okay, next, oh, lengthening mascara. So I'm not going to put mascara on to show you because I don't have a mirror in front of me and all that jazz. But and I already have mascara on. But it's just in this long tube. So that's cool. Let's see what the brush looks like. Oh. So that's what the brush looks like. It's very thin. It's like a thin brush. I don't know if you can tell. There we go. Yeah, very cool. So much makeup. All right, let's go with the satin powder blush. And I got, it says the silky powder blush blends seamlessly to create the perfect natural flush. Oh, I got raspberry. Ooh, this is the packaging. This is the blush. The packaging feels very luxurious. And the box is beautiful too. All recyclable. Okay, let's see. Oh, the color. Oops. That color though. That color. All right. It says no secrets added. All right. Nice and soft. Whoa. Whoa. Oh yeah. This is going to be one of those blushes, you don't need a lot. It's probably going to be something that this is going to be one of those blushes that you kind of tap, because look at that's already, and a lot didn't come off. So the pigment is great. Oh yeah, little goes a long way on this guy. All right, so this is me swatching it from my finger, and then this is my finger. Still tons of pigment on my finger. And this is just me swatching it on my hand. Oh, it is a bold color. I cannot wait to wear it. And then this right here is me from just tapping it. You saw I just tapped it a couple times, and then just wiping it on my, kind of brushing it back and forth. Yeah, this is going to be a color that I don't want to say you have to be careful with, but this is going to be a color that, you know, putting it on, you're definitely going to want to tap. But this one is raspberry. I don't know how the rest are, so I have to test the rest of them. But it is a beautiful color. And I actually might use this as an eyeshadow as well. Remember, these are all clean products, and powders really can go anywhere that you want to put them, because it's just a pigment. So you could use this as a fun color for an eyeshadow, a fun color for maybe an eyeliner if you kind of dampen your brush with some setting spray. That's the best way to kind of get that, to get your brush wet instead of running it underwater, is with a setting spray, and it helps it last longer, of course. So yeah, all kinds of cool things that can be done with this pigment. But this is technically a blush color. But man, doesn't that color look beautiful with this pink and this blue together? I think it's amazing. I'm totally here for it as well. So last but not least is, man, I'm gonna have to really use some makeup remover for this. All right, last but not least is Beyond Gloss, and this color is Magnolia Shimmer. Okay, let's see. Ooh, look at how pretty. I have all these little boxes right here. So pretty. The shimmer in it is beautiful. I love their packaging. I love, it's an oval, so it's kind of flat. I don't know, I just love the packaging, but that's how the concealer came as well. Smells good. Ooh. I have to use a different finger because I just want to feel it. It's not sticky, it's a little thick, but great color payoff. I don't know if you can see, the light is kind of great color payoff on a kind of a shimmery lip gloss. And that was just one swipe. So I think it's kind of pink. You can't really tell in this light. Maybe there we go. It's a little bit pink, a little blushy, you know, kind of a warmer pink. And I think this would be great over a lip gloss, or lip gloss, duh, it is a lip gloss, over a lipstick. I do have I have one BeautyCounter lipstick. I knew it. So it's a little tiny guy. This I had bought already a while back. This one is called Girls Night. This one's called Girls Night. But look at how pretty. And let me see, where I have any more room to swatch? Oh, hi. Here we go. I ran out of room on my hand to swatch. But it's a beautiful, like, kind of orange, and that pigment is nice and deep. So I love this color. But let's see what... I wouldn't say this is matte. It's more like a semi-matte. It's not very glossy, but the lipstick, but it's not definitely not a matte type of finish. Let's see what this looks like over. Oh, this softened this bad boy right up. Let's see. Here we go. So it's more, it just softened it up. So it's not quite as fire engine, I guess is the best way to put it. But yeah, I like it. It's so pretty. It gives it more of a raspberry tone. It doesn't really look like that in this lighting, but in real life it does. But you can see. And yeah, excited. And then my last, I have a couple other BeautyCounter things I used today, which I just want to talk about really quickly. And this is the lip, it's like a lip duo. So this is a scrub. This is what the scrub looks like. It smells a little bit minty. It's definitely sugary, a little bit citrusy. I used this when I got home. But my lips are so dry. So I came home and I used this because I had to go to that photo shoot. And I used that, wiped it off, and it has like little sugar. You can like eat it. It's safe because there's no bad ingredients in these things. And then this is the lip balm that you put on afterwards. Oh, my lips have been feeling amazing ever since I put that on. So yeah, that's about it. That's all I have for you. Also, oh, one last thing. If you are not in my beauty group, there's a link to join my beauty group. I shouldn't say beauty group. It's not just beauty. It's beauty and fashion. So it's a style group, I should say. It's on Facebook, of course. And we are doing our style talk next Saturday. So I have plenty of time to watch the movie and then join the style group. The link for the Zoom is in that. We hope you can come. It's a great time. We have so much fun talking about the movie, the style in the movie. It's just a great time to get together. So that's next week. That's it. I'm out. I got nothing else. All right. Bye.